Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are diving into the fascinating world of tenses. Tenses are key to expressing when an action takes place, whether it is in the past, present, or future. Whether you are preparing for a test, improving your English, or just brushing up on your grammar, this video is for you. We will be going through 10 multiple choice questions to help you master tenses with clear and detailed explanations for each one. Alright guys, let's get started. Here is your first one. He walked to school every day. He walks to school every day. He walked to school every day. Please choose the correct sentence and write your answer in the comment section. Alright, let's look at the correct answer, which is he walks to school every day. The correct answer is he walks to school every day because we are using the present simple tense here. The present simple is used for habitual actions, things that happen regularly. Since the subject he is singular, the verb work needs an S to match. Walks is the proper form for third person singular subjects. The baby dashed loudly when the power went out. And the options are cried, cries, was crying. Alright? Alright, let's look at the correct answer, which is was crying. The baby was crying loudly when the power went out. Here we are using the past continuous tense because the action of crying was happening at a specific time in the past when the power went out. The past continuous tense describes an action that were ongoing in the past, and the correct structure is was or were plus verb ing form. Since the subject the baby is singular, we use was crying. Which sentence is correct? She is cooking dinner right now. She cooks dinner right now. She was cooking dinner right now. Please write down the correct answer in the comment section. The correct answer is she is cooking dinner right now. This one is about the present continuous tense. The present continuous is used to describe actions happening at the exact moment of speaking. She is cooking indicates that the action is happening right now. So the correct answer is she is cooking dinner right now. By next year, we dash this house for 10 years. And the options are will have lived, will live, lived. Alright, the correct answer is by the next year, we will have lived this house for 10 years. The correct answer is will have lived, because we are using the future perfect tense. This tense describes an action that will be completed before a specific point in the future. In this case, by next year, the action of living in the house will be finished. So we use will have plus past participle. Choose the correct sentence. They goes to the park every weekend. They go to the park every weekend. They going to the park every weekend. Alright, the correct answer will be they go to the park every weekend. The subject they is plural, so we use the base form of the verb go without adding s. This is the present simple tense which is used to talk about habits and routines. Go is the correct verb form for plural subjects like they. The train dash when I reached the station. And the options are already left, has already left, had already left. And the correct answer is the train had already left when I reached the station. We use the past perfect tense to describe an action that was completed before another action in the past. In this case, the train left before you reached the station. So we use had already left to show that the action happened first. Which sentence is correct? She is teach English for 5 years. She has been teaching English for 5 years. She will teaching English for 5 years. And the answer is obvious, which is she has been teaching English for 5 years. Let's look at the explanation. We are using the present perfect continuous tense here, which describes actions that started in the past and are still continuing. Has been teaching shows that she started teaching English 5 years ago and is still teaching now. I dash football with my friends tomorrow afternoon. And the options are play, will be playing, played. And the answer will be I will be playing football with my friends tomorrow afternoon. We use the future continuous tense to describe actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Will be playing shows that the action of playing football is expected to be ongoing in the future. Select the correct sentence. The dog barks at strangers every time. The dog is barking at strangers every time. The dog barked at strangers every time. The correct answer is the dog barks at strangers every time. The present simple tense is used here because we are describing a habit or regular occurrence. The sentence talks about the dog's usual behavior. So, barks is the correct form for third person singular subject dog. Alright, here is the next one. I dashed my homework before dinner yesterday. And the options are finished, was finishing, finish. Alright, the correct answer is I finished my homework before dinner yesterday. This is a classic example of the past simple tense, which is used for actions that happened and were completed at a specific point in the past. Finished is the past tense of finish, and it's the right choice for actions that are fully completed. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Alright, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye for now.